Hi, my name is John and I'm a physics lecturer. I've worked with Vielight for over a year, and today we're going to talk about transcranial photobiomodulation, or PBM. The effort to stimulate the brain with light energy presents a unique and formidable engineering challenge. To reach the brain, near-infrared light energy must first penetrate multiple biological layers. This includes the scalp, the skull, and finally, cerebrospinal fluid. Each of these layers absorbs and scatters light, causing significant optical attenuation. In 2024, a published systematic review of over 2,000 brain PBM studies found that the average irradiance or light intensity was 250 milliwatts per centimeter squared, and the wavelength was 810 nanometers. We are going to test why these parameters yielded the most effective results in over 2,000 brain PBM studies. This experiment is also designed to give real-life practical application to the brain PBM irradiance reports by the PBM Foundation and 2 photonics labs, Optronic Lab, now part of Vielight, and Megalab in 2024. These devices are similar to the ones used in the reports: a Vielight NeuroPro 2, a Suyzeko helmet, and a Neuronic Neuradian helmet, private labeled from Suyzeko. Both of these helmets, manufactured by Suyzeko in China, claim to have a deep penetration with hundreds of 1070 nanometer LEDs. But is this actually true? This is the photonics lab that we run our experiments in. Here we have a table set up with our testing equipment. We'll be explaining the equipment we use, along with the methodology to measure the penetration of near-infrared light energy through a real human skull and optical skin phantom. We'll also be generating a fluence map to show how energy is dispersed through the skull's calvaria. To obtain accurate measurements, we employ a suite of calibrated optical instruments. The spectral characteristics of each device are quantified using an OptoSky ATP 2000P spectrometer. For power validation, we use a Gentex silicon photodiode power meter. This instrument provides an NSIT traceable measurement of optical power, which we use to calibrate the spectrometer's readings. A digital CCD camera captures two-dimensional beam profile through the skull and skin phantom, which is then processed to generate the calibrated irradiance maps. We generate irradiance maps to visualize the spatial distribution of the energy. These maps are essential for identifying the energy patterns through a human skull and skin. This is a real human adult male skull, ethically sourced from Osta International. This is a synthetic optical skin phantom, sourced from Cal Imaging, designed with the goal of simulating a real human scalp. Stay with us for part 2, where we test the devices and reveal the findings.